Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss adjectives. So what is adjective? Adjective is a quality of noun. What is a noun? Noun is a name of person, place or thing. So let's start the exercise. In this exercise, what we will do, underline adjectives in the following sentences, circle the nouns they describe. And first one is done for you. Number 1, the old man has gray hair. So what we will do, we will underline the adjectives. So what are the adjectives? Adjectives are old and gray. So that's why these are underlined. And what is a noun in this sentence? Man and hair. That is why I have circled it. Number 2, she ate a sweet mango. So what is adjective? Sweet. Sweet is adjective and mango is noun. That is why it's circled. Okay, number 3, Shakespeare wrote many plays. Many is adjective and Shakespeare is a noun. Okay. Number 4, I have some money. Some is underlined and money is circled. Number 5, Sarah was reading an interesting book. In this sentence, we will circle Sarah and book because these are the nouns and interesting is adjective. That is why I have underlined it. Number 6, it was a clear and bright day. We will underline clear and bright because these are the adjectives and we will circle the day. Day is a noun. Next one is number 7. There are 25 boys in this class. So class and boys we will circle and 25 is the adjective. That is why it is underlined. Next one is Sana has a very sweet voice. Sana and voice. These are nouns. That is why I have circled it and sweet is adjective. Next one is always drink pure water. Pure is adjective. That is why it's underlined and water is noun. Next one is my cat has gray fur and brown eyes. Eyes and fur, cat. These are the nouns. That's why I have circled it. And brown and gray are the adjectives. I have underlined it. Okay. So, classification of adjectives. Adjectives occur in different categories. They are as follow, as you can see. Names of the colors are adjectives. For example, gray, red, pink, black. These are adjectives. Qualities. Pretty, silly, happy. These are the adjectives. Shapes. Flat, round, square, circle, triangle. These are the adjectives. Size. Huge, tiny, long. Adjectives. Origin. Pakistan, French, British. All the origins are adjectives. Quantities, many, some, two, etc. These are the adjectives. Okay. So I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much for watching.